All right, so I just received my John Cena last time is now card from Tops now. So let's see if we get anything good. Oh, a Twitter box. There we go, and I got uh, a regular one. I have two in here, so let me open it actually. All right, we're back. So I got them out, and here's the second one, and it's a regular one. So they look nice. They're not bad looking cards. Here's what it says on the back. Yeah, pretty good looking cards. Anyways, that's it for this video. Have a good one. Peace.